What's going on, y'all? Little Mountain Gardener here, and today I'm actually excited. Today I'm supposed to come out here and harvest my sweet potatoes. This has been 115 days in the making, and today I'm gonna be actually harvesting for the very first time my actual, I think this is how you say it, Beauregard sweet potatoes. This is my first time ever growing sweet potatoes, so I am so excited. So let me turn the camera around, y'all, and we can go ahead and dive into this harvest. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's not looking too good. So my sweet potatoes have had it rough. I mean rough. I don't know what it was, but something was eating all my leaves. I'm believing that it was a deer or something, but I never saw any tracks around here, so I don't know what it was. But as y'all can tell, so I decided to end up planting these inside a container. So I used this little kiddie swimming pool I got right there from Dollar General, probably about $8. And I drilled some holes in it, filled it with dirt, and let it go. So one of the things that I ended up doing during this whole growing process with these sweet potatoes is I actually watered these kind of frequently with potassium waters. So I took like 2 banana peels, put them inside a jar, filled it up with water, let it sit for a little while, a couple of days, shake it up, and then pour it across there. They say potassium is supposed to be good for tuber production, and that's what your sweet potatoes are tubers. So let's see how this goes. Wow, y'all, so we had one growing out the bottom of it. Well, y'all, I think that's all the sweet potatoes we got. Let me take y'all over here so y'all can see what we ended up with. So y'all, here we go. Here you have it. So, not very big. A lot of them real skinny, everything. But I am always thankful for what I get. I think lessons learned for me. So, not too bad. I might be able to squeeze a sweet potato pie out of this. Maybe. We'll see. So yeah, y'all, that's my sweet potato harvest. I know it's not as big as I really wanted it to be, but that's okay. I'm still getting at least 1 or 2 sweet potato pies out of that. Don't get it twisted. But I think I know what I did wrong. And so hopefully next year when I'm ready to go plant some more, it'll be even better. I appreciate all y'all watching, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.